Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another portable speaker from Tribit. This is the Tribit StormBox 2. It provides 24 hours of playtime. We got two 17-watt speakers providing a 360-degree sound, and it's IPX7 waterproof, which is really great. That means you can take it to the beach. If you have it on your bike, in the UK people do that, and it rains, you don't have to worry, it will not get damaged. The box looks similar to the other Tribit products. Quite a nice looking box. We have a nice message on the side: treat yourself with better beats, which is quite nice. Have some specs on the side. We have an extra bass button, dedicated button on the speaker itself, hands-free calling, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo pairing, and Tribit app. Stereo pairing, it means you can pair two or more Tribit speakers together to act as one, which is nice, especially if you're having a party. And you can find the Tribit app on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm going to show you guys what you get inside. After that, we are going to run a sound test to show you guys how it sounds. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is what we get. We get an instruction manual slash quick setup guide in different languages. We get a USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which I think it's about 1 meter long, so the length is quite decent. And we get the speaker itself. We have a volume down button, we have a volume up button, and a stop slash play button. We have some rubber speaker lids on both sides, on the top and on the bottom. As you can see, you can press on them. On the bottom we have some rubber feet, so you won't skid away, which is quite nice. The design is really nice. The material of the box, it's a fabric. It feels really good and soft to the touch. On the back we have some other functions. We have Bluetooth pairing button, we have on and off button, extra bass button, and we have the pairing for multiple speakers. Right here on the bottom we have waterproof silicone seal. If you open it, hold on, let me see if I can do it with one hand. There we go. So you have a 3.5mm aux cable jack, and you have a USB Type-C port for charging. Pretty much that's it with the speaker. It's really simple to use. To open it, all you have to do is press this button for like 1 second. You will play a sound. That's it. Now it should connect to any available Bluetooth device that's already paired with. I'm gonna connect it with my phone. So let's go ahead and connect it, and we're gonna play some royalty-free music, and you guys can get an idea of how it sounds. Okay, so it's really simple to pair. All you have to do is open the Bluetooth on your mobile device and select Tribit StormBox 2. It will ask you if you want to pair it, just press yes, and that's it, it's ready to go. I have found some royalty-free music, which I'm gonna play now, so you guys can get an idea on how this speaker sounds. We're going to start at 90%, and after 5 seconds, 10 seconds, I am going to increase it to max. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna press play. We have this extra bass button, which if we can turn it off, it gets rid of the bass, which is nice if you have neighbors and they complain. Let's turn it back on. And now let's increase the volume. on using the buttons on the speaker, which is nice and convenient. You don't always have to touch your phone or the device you're paired with. You can even pause, you can play again, and you can increase the volume. So yeah, I think it's a really great speaker for its size. It's really loud. The design, I love it. It's actually one of the best looking speakers I reviewed on this channel. Really portable, especially with this fabric handle right here. You can hang it wherever you want. If you guys wanna buy it, I'm gonna have a link for Amazon in the video description below. And yeah, I will definitely recommend it. It's definitely worth the price. It's about 60 quid in UK money, but sometimes they have offers. I'm gonna try give you guys the best deal. Sometimes they have offers and it's way cheaper, but compared to other speakers, it's really worth the money, especially if you invest in their environment and you buy 2 or more speakers. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.